Splashes Water Park in downtown Myrtle Beach.
I know you've all heard that and couldn't wait to go. I know everyone's heard the news about Wild Water and Wheels being torn down, but guess what else is being torn down? Splashes Water Park in Myrtle Beach. Don't be deceived, they are tearing down Splashes Water Park. Pay paradise and put up a parking lot. Ooh, bop, bop, bop. Yep, many memories have made here. Some say it was the best water park in Myrtle Beach. But like they always say, everything can't stay perfect forever. Look at that big old water slide up there.
Let's check it beachside.
Look at that sand that was washed in by Hurricane Ian.
Cool bleachers.
Right, for parents to sit and...
So parents can sit and watch the demolition. Private property. So we're gonna stay on the outside here because we don't feel like going to jail.
Not today.
So it looks like they've only started on this side, and I'm assuming they're going all the way through. Not
Yes,
really
sir.
sure. If someone knows, they can let us know in the comments below.
Look at that view. And look, from there up high,
So I guess whenever you were playing and swimming and sliding, you had this wonderful view of Myrtle Beach. Well, the ocean anyway.
no telling how many hurricanes have hit this wall here.
Let's see. So one of the rumors were they were going to tear that down and build a parking garage for Family Kingdom, which is right across the street. But not sure. There's your lighthouse.
But we need to find out. And if you know, comment below. Got a pirate up there just looking out.
Oh, he's watching the demolition.
Keeping an eye on it. R. Looks like you may have been able to access it from the ocean. That would have been cool.
Maybe.
But that is pretty neat. And we're going to take you on around to the front.
Let's take a look at Withers Swash real quick while we're here. Ah. That must be where they're getting the shells and shark's teeth. Let's go to the front and see what it looks like from the road.
Look at that ocean. Smooth as molasses.
No waves, hardly. Okay, so we made our way around to the front of Splashes. And this is where Daddy-O's ice cream used to sit. Here's an arcade. And right across the street sits Family Kingdom. Well, the rumors are true about Splashes. It's being torn down. We're not sure if they're going to put a parking garage or what, but thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with what's going on and ring that little bell to give you new videos each week. And as always, keep beaching.